Cheap Chinese, 50 megafarad. American made, 50 megafarad. This one will definitely last for years, and very few people have ever reported failures. Yes, everything does have failures, especially if you're in a lightning strike area, but lightning strikes, nothing lasts through that. These fail all the time. Many videos on them. People say, it's American made, it's an American company. But this is their Chinese version knockoff. This is a 50-cent capacitor when you buy them in bulk. This is garbage. Everybody's been reporting these things dead within a year to 2 years. This just came off a unit that died in just less than 2 years on a very high-end, high-dollar unit. This has no purpose being in a high-dollar unit. Piece of garbage. Titan. That's all. Good. Garbage. If you install this, you're installing garbage intentionally, because everybody knows it. If you install this, you know you're not installing garbage.